हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू देज लर्निंग। आज हम कुछ बेसिसिटी ऑर्डर के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। मेनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में ये बेसिसिटी ऑर्डर बार बार पूछा गया है, जिस पे पाइरिडिन और पीरोल शामिल है। सो पहले हम देख लेंगे पीरिडिन और पीरोल के बीच कौन सा मॉलिक्यूल अधिक बेसिक होता है, फिर हम उन बेसिसिटी ऑर्डर के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, और क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई पाइरिडिन इज मोर बेसिक देन पाइरोल, राइट। हमें ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर 2 पॉइंट में डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज द लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इन पाइरोल इज डिलोकलाइज्ड, so the availability of electron pair on nitrogen in pyridine is greater। देखो, ये होता है pyridine molecule। If we substitute the CH group of benzene by nitrogen, ये pyridine molecule बनते हैं। Okay, and if we substitute the CH2 group of cyclopentadiene molecule, pyrrole molecule is formed, right? And of course, pyridine and pyrrole are two aromatic heterocyclic compounds, right? Firstly, we come to the structure of pyrrole. Look at here. The lone pair of nitrogen is involved in resonance in pyrrole molecule. So these are the resonating structures of pyrrole, and this is the resonance hybrid of pyrrole molecule. पाइरोल में नाइट्रोजन पर जो इलेक्ट्रॉन जोड़ी है वो रेजोनेंस में शामिल होती है। दिस लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द एरोमेटिसिटी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल। ये मॉलिक्यूल को एरोमेटिक बनाने के लिए ये लोन पेयर का एक डेफिनिट रोल होते हैं। ओके, सो द मॉलिक्यूल इज एरोमेटिक इन्वॉल्विंग द लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। दिस इज द ऑर्बिटल पिक्चर ऑफ पाइरोल मॉलिक्यूल, and of course the lone pair containing orbital of nitrogen is parallel to the pi electron system, which makes the molecule aromatic. But look, very importantly, this lone pair is not present in the sp2 hybrid orbital, and this 1, 2 and 3 sigma bonds are involved in the sp2 hybridization. So the lone pair of electrons of nitrogen in pyrrole is not present in the sp2 hybrid orbital. Look, this is very important. This is the orbital picture of pyrrole. Okay, and as we know from Huckel's rule of aromaticity, the cyclic, planar and conjugated 4n+2 pi electron system are as aromatic. So involving the lone, so including this lone pair of electrons, this compound contains 2 and 2, 4 plus 2 equal to 6, that is 6 pi electrons. So this is an aromatic system, right? Now look what is about pyridine. In the molecule pyridine, look, this lone pair of electrons is not involved in the resonance. This lone pair of electrons is present in the sp2 hybrid orbitals. Look, this is the point of difference. This in pyrrole, this lone pair of electrons, in pyrrole the lone pair of electrons is not present in the sp2 hybrid orbital, but in case of pyridine this lone pair of electrons is present in the sp2 hybrid orbital. Okay, ये lone pair के बिना ये molecule aromatic बन गया। This is the orbital picture of pyridine. The lone pair of electrons is present in, of course, the sp2 hybrid orbitals. This is the sp2 hybrid orbital. So this lone pair of electrons is actually present perpendicularly to the pi electron system. This is our pyridine molecule. Look, this lone pair of electrons, this one, this lone pair of electrons is present perpendicularly to the pi electron system. So this lone pair of electrons is not involved in the aromaticity of the molecule. This lone pair of electrons is not responsible for the aromaticity of the molecule. This lone pair of electrons is present perpendicularly to the pi electron system. The pi electron system is like this, and the lone pair is, the pi electron system is actually like this, and this lone pair of electrons is present perpendicularly to the pi electron system, right? So this is the structure of pyridine molecule. So this is the structure of pyridine molecule, right? Okay. So the actual point of difference between these two molecules is that the lone pair of pyridine is present in the sp2 hybrid orbital, and in case of pyrrole, the lone pair of nitrogen is not present in the sp2 hybrid orbital. The lone pair is involved in the pi electron system, but here the lone pair is not involved in the pi electron system, right? Okay, so in the first point हमने देखा है कि pyridine में नाइट्रोजन पर जो लोन पेयर होता है उसका अवेलेबिलिटी ज़्यादा होता है। इसके कारण ये नाइट्रोजन की इलेक्ट्रॉन दान करने का क्षमता ज़्यादा होती है। ओके, लेकिन पिरोल में नाइट्रोजन पर इलेक्ट्रॉन का अवेलेबिलिटी कम होते हैं, इसके कारण ये नाइट्रोजन का इलेक्ट्रॉन दान शक्ति कम होते हैं, राइट? Now the second point is the conjugate acid of pyridine is more stable than that of pyrrole. Okay, from our concept of ionic equilibrium we know that this is a base B and this is dissociation constant Kb. This is the dissociation constant of the base, which is Kb. Kb equal to concentration BH plus concentration OH minus divided by concentration B. So pKb, this is equal to minus log to the base 10 Kb, and BH plus, it is the conjugate acid of this base B. So BH plus is the conjugate acid of B definitely, and as the stability of BH plus increases, the value of Kb increases, and as the value of Kb increases, this pKb value decreases, and so the basicity of the base increases, right? So this is our concept we have to keep in mind. Now come to the case of pyridine and pyrrole. When the pyridine nitrogen donate the electron pair to H plus of HCl molecule, it will form the pyridinium chloride. Okay, so this pyridinium chloride is the conjugate acid of this pyridine molecule. Now this pyridine molecule is also an aromatic system, as it is a 6 pi electron system. But when the pyrrole molecule donate the electron pair to H plus of HCl molecule, it will form the pyrrolium chloride, and this pyrrolium chloride is not aromatic. Look at here very carefully. This nitrogen is saturated, it is sp3 hybridized, so this is a non-aromatic system. So the system is non-aromatic as it is no longer planar. Okay, so the stability of this pyrrolium chloride is much less than that of pyrrole itself. So the equilibrium of this reaction lies to the left, but the equilibrium of this reaction lies to the right. The equilibrium of this reaction lies to the right in comparison to this one, right? So the pKb value of pyridine molecule is 8.76 and that of pyrrole molecule is 13.6. Take a close look, where is the difference? ये नाइट्रोजन का प्रोटोनेशन होने के बावजूद ये मॉलिक्यूल एरोमेटिक ही रहता है, ठीक है ना? लेकिन ये नाइट्रोजन का प्रोटोनेशन होने के कारण ये मॉलिक्यूल का एरोमेटिसिटी खो जाते हैं, राइट? सो द इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग एबिलिटी ऑफ दिस मॉलिक्यूल इज मच ग्रेटर देन दिस वन. सो ड्यू टू दिस टू रीजन pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Right, now come to the problem of the basicity order. Okay, our first molecule is pyperidine, second molecule is pyrrole, and third one is pyridine. And look at the molecule of pyperidine. This nitrogen is sp3 hybridized, this is sp3 hybridized, this is saturated nitrogen atom. So electron donating power of this nitrogen, so the electron donating power of this nitrogen is highest. And as we discussed earlier, that the electron donating power of pyridine is greater than pyrrole. So the basicity order will be A is greater than C is greater than B, right? Okay. Now come to the second problem. This is an aliphatic amine, and this is pyrrole, this is pyridine. And of course, this is sp3, this is saturated nitrogen atom, this is sp3 hybridized nitrogen atom. So electron donating power of this nitrogen is highest, then pyridine, and then pyrrole. Okay, so the basicity order will be again A will be greater than C and this will be greater than B, right? So this is the basicity order. So this is all about today's video. We will meet in the next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye.